Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. Blue color, red color, light green color, and the next one is white color, light pink color, yellow color, exactly, dark green color, purple color. Kids, the next one is dark pink color, Stay with us. The next one is orange color, black color, sky blue color, and the next one is silver color. The last one is brown color, Writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B, C for cow. The next one is D, E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, the next one is F for fish, F for fan. Stay with us. G. The next one is H. The next one is I. Now we're using the color of blue and writing I, J, K, L for lemon. The next one is M for mango. N. The next one is O, P for penguin. Now we're using the color of dark pink and writing the number of 1. The next one is 2, 3, 4, FOUR, 5, FIVE, 6, 7. The next one is 8, exactly. Stay with us. 9. The last one is 10. Thank you so much for watching.